what is up, it's Arushi and today I'm back with another review video. Now you guys really seem to like the Himalaya cream review that I did and you said that I should do more review videos. So here I am again with the review and today I'm going to be reviewing the Iraya Saffron Elixir. Now this acts like a night cream and it's an amazing product, and in this video I'm going to be talking about this product, and this is also a possible dupe for the Kumkumadi oil. So if you guys follow SJ Labs Jewelry or if you guys follow Devashri Banerjee, then you would know that they have been including this oil called the Kumkumadi oil by Kama Ayurveda in their nighttime skincare routine. I've been using the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi oil, but it's kind of pricey, like it's about 1900 something, and I don't think a lot of people would invest that much money into an oil. So I've been using this product since Diwali and I've been loving it ever since. And I also read up on the internet about this and Kumkumadi oil and I compared both of their ingredients and I came to a conclusion that this is possibly a dupe for the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi oil. And ever since I got to know about it, I really wanted to review this product for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, now let's come up to the pricing, the packaging and what the product claims.
So this retails for 695 rupees for 50 gram of product and claims to be vegetarian and cruelty free. It claims to be a lightweight formula for brighter complexion, with the main ingredient being saffron along with some Ayurvedic herbs to brighten and lighten your complexion. The consistency is that of very watery jelly, and when you apply it on your skin you can actually genuinely see saffron extracts in it. Now saffron is amazing for your skin because it regulates the melanin production which brightens your complexion. So I include this in my nighttime skincare routine and I just gently massage with my fingertips onto my clean and moist face with upward motions. So I first clean my face and then tone it and then go ahead and use a gel. If you guys wish to see a detailed skincare routine, then do mention that in the comments below and I'll be happy to do one for you.
Okay, now that we've talked about the pricing, the packaging and the claims of the product, let's talk about the pros and cons and whether it really does what it claims. Okay, so I have a fairly sensitive skin and it does react to a few products. Like my skin hates Lotus Herbals product. So if now this claims that it is allergy free, and it actually is allergy free because this has suited my skin so well. I've been using this since Diwali and all it has done is that it has faded all of the scars that I had from the Lotus face mask, and it has really faded any of my pimple marks. So if you're looking for anything which will fade your pimple marks or your acne scars, then this is perfect for you because it has reduced all of my all of the marks on my face and has actually improved the appearance of my skin. And if you're looking for anything which will lighten or whiten your skin, then this gel does not do that, but it does lighten your complexion and brighten your face. It does not whiten your face at all. So the last two pros of the gel would be that it has a very light formulation, so it gets really absorbed into your skin and it does not clog your pores at all. So it works very well for oily skin. And the last pro would be that if you have oily skin, then it would actually reduce the oiliness in your skin and would help you with that. So it will reduce your blemishes, it would reduce your acne scars, and it would also reduce the amount of oil that your skin produces, because saffron is very nice to your skin that way. And now moving on to the cons. I have like 3 cons that I have noticed. That the first thing would be that this retails for 695 rupees. Now this does not really fit all of the budgets because not everyone would want to pay 695, like 700 bucks for a night cream, so that's kind of sad. The second thing would be that this is a glass bottle and I'm very clumsy, so I know that I would break this if I carry it all around with me in my backpack, so it's not very travel friendly. Alright, now let's talk about the last con about the product. Now this does not work as well for dry skin as it does for oily skin. It does fade your scars like it would do for the oily skin. It would reduce the acne scars and it would also improve the skin complexion. But the only con about this gel is that it is like a water-based gel, alright? So it won't really give as much moisture as your skin would need. And so if you are a person with dry skin, then along with this you would want to use another lotion, like a facial lotion for your face to get the moisture that your skin needs. So that's a con for people with dry skin, but it does help in reducing the scars. So if you're a person with dry skin and you're looking for something which will help you fade the acne scars, then this is perfect for you. But if you're looking at this as a night cream, then this won't work as well for you. So those are all the pros and cons of the product, and it's an amazing product because it has more pros than the cons. This gel acts as a perfect night cream for anyone who's looking for a cream which would reduce all of your face scars and would even out your skin tone. If you're looking for a whitening cream, then this is not for you because this is not a skin lightening or a skin whitening cream. So that was it for today's review video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys want more review videos, then give this video a big thumbs up and I'll do more of them. And also a lot of you guys have been requesting for a nighttime and daytime skincare routine. So if you guys want to see any type of a skincare routine, then mention that in the comments below and I'll be happy to do it for you guys. And that was it. That was all I had to say. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, then go ahead and subscribe right now. And that was for today's video. I hope to see you next time. Bye. Say hi to Priya because she really wanted to be in the video. She's my best friend and I'm going to be doing a best friend tag with her when I go to Gurgaon because you guys have really been asking for it. Okay, bye.
Down
your man. And Mama. And thank you so much for helping me cross 4,000 subscribers. This is crazy. Yeah.